Hey baby dolls, welcome back to my channel, and I am finally back with another video. So this is going to be a start to finish, but I lost some footage, so we're just going to hop right in. So y'all see me sewing down her cap. Now I'm going to make a video on how I get my caps to stay, because the most important part of a install is the cap. I mean the lace as well, but the cap. So yeah, I'll be dropping that video soon. So here I am just sewing her hair, the cap to her head, because you don't want it to go anywhere. And then I sat her under the dryer, lost all that footage, whatever. And now I am cutting her cap. I do not cut the sides because I don't like the splits in the cap before I glue her down. So I glued it down or whatever, and now I'm cutting the sides off, and then I'm gonna go in with some makeup and blend that cap right on out. But it already looks good. I'm trying to tell y'all I'm gonna drop that video soon. So now I slowed this part down because I'm cleaning her skin. Before you guys apply the wig or any glue, you need to make sure your client's skin is clean. This is her wig. It is from RoyalMe Hair. I actually enjoyed this hair. I enjoyed this wig. The only thing I did not like was the density, but other than that, the lace amazing. It came pre-plucked and the knots were bleached. So yeah, I like this wig a lot. But it was easy for me to blend in with her skin and everything. So now you guys see me going in with my Ghost Bond glue. I did 3 layers on each side. What you see me doing to the right side, I did the exact same thing to the left side. In between each layer, I went in with a blow dryer, and then I kept applying the glue just like that, because I wanted to make the glue tacky. So now I'm going in and applying the lace to her skin and just combing it in. You see me really pressing it in with that comb. I am going to eventually use my hands, but for now I'm just going to press it in with that comb and really just get the wig to my liking. Okay, y'all, so now I am taking my eyebrow razor from the beauty supply store. You can get it for $1, and I am cutting that lace. Okay, and then you're gonna see me take one side of that razor and press that lace into that glue even more, y'all. This is what helps me achieve that melt. Okay, you guys want to make sure that you are using a newer razor. You don't want your razor to be dull, because that's not good. It doesn't get your lace the cut that you want. It literally just tugs on the lace, and you're gonna have to go back with scissors. So just make sure you guys use a newer razor. Okay, so now I'm going in with my glue and re-gluing her tabs. I'm going to come to the other side and do it, so you guys are going to see me do it as well. And I'm going to use my blow dryer so you guys can see me using the blow dryer and tacking it down. Okay, so this is my little secret. You guys see me tacking it down. I'm going to go in with a part and really push that down. But now the hair that I just parted out is going to be the hair that I'm going to use for my sideburns. So I'm doing a 2-in-1. I'm getting those edges to stay down, and then I'm already creating my baby hairs, my sideburns, but you're laying the hair in the direction that it needs to go in anyway, if you guys get what I'm saying. That's my little secret. If it works for y'all, let me know. But yeah, and then for your clients who aren't doing sideburns, you can still do it and then hot comb it back. But that really helps me get my ear tabs down and get my sideburns how I like them. So now I'm going in and sewing the back of her wig down. Shout out to my client. Her name is Kyra. She's a YouTuber. Y'all may know her. Make sure you guys go check her review out on this wig. Just go check out her channel in general. I'm gonna tag her channel. I'm gonna put it in the description box, so you guys make sure you check her out and subscribe to her. Okay. Okay, y'all, so now we're on to my favorite part, which is styling. We're about to go in and get that part straight. We're about to fleek her out. So now I'm just going in with my She's Bomb Collection wax stick, and I keep using I think it's called Fantasia heat protecting spray, y'all. That is my thing right there. And then my oil sheen as well, and I'm really just getting it really flat and just straight. I'm gonna go through her whole the top of her head, and then I'm gonna do the back of her head as well. And yeah, y'all just go ahead and watch me do that. Okay, y'all, so boom, lace is melted, and now what I'm about to go do is part out her baby hairs. So I like to go ahead and part them out and then twist them, and I do this to make sure my baby hairs match on both sides. Okay, I know we all been there, we all done it. Baby hairs don't match, and then we don't realize it until we're done. So the secret for me, what helps me, is parting it out on both sides and just matching them. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use my Gorilla Snot and the olive oil gel. I mix those two together, and I'm gonna use my razor to cut the baby hairs how I like them, and then just swoop them and fleek them out, y'all. I really feel like baby hairs are what you like, and you just keep practicing and getting them to how you like them. So you guys are going to see me go over my baby hairs until I get it to how I like. So yeah, then I'm going to go in with some oil sheen and then tie it down. I use the oil sheen because I don't like when it flakes up, and the Gorilla Snot tends to let it flake, but that is why I mixed it with the olive oil gel. And there go Kyra. I went to go wash my hands, and she's about to start eating because she was hungry. And now we're about to go in with some curls. So the key to curling is curling in different directions and then letting the curl drop in your hand. So let it cool down in your hand, or you can pin it up. So you guys are going to see me and my broken curling iron. This is the Revlon curling iron. I think it's the 1-inch barrel. This is the 1-inch barrel. And yeah, girl, I've had it for a minute now. Just gonna go in, and that's what I'm using to curl. I'm using that Fantasia heat protectant spray with every curl or every section, and then just going in and curling it out. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just going in with this Ruby Kiss color. This is the same color I put on her cap and her lace, and then I'm going in with my black spray to just flick that part out, girl. Yes, ma'am. And now onto the big reveal. Period. You see her. You see her. Period. So now I'm about to comb out these baby hairs just to give them a softer look. And then I'm going to cut some layers in her hair and just comb those curls out, y'all. Okay, baby dolls, that is the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Please let me know if you guys want more videos like this, or if you guys want me to dye some hair, if you guys want me to do some hair, let me know. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.